Hi, I'm Tracie Potts, and I'm 2 months into my fellowship project, so I thought I'd check in and give you a sense of where we are and what's going on. I'm a correspondent for NBC News, and my project is about healthcare and health reform. We deal with that a lot here in Washington. So my project specifically is looking at the ground level impact, what people are experiencing because of all of the indecision here in Washington. The challenges that we're facing. Number one, time. I'm used to coming in every day, dropping my stuff, writing a story, doing a bunch of live shots, then I'm done with that story for the day. President Trump says he's made a decision about Iran and he's hoping Congress can do something about health care. I'm Tracie Potts. That story is next. Finding time to do it around all of the other things that I'm doing in the newsroom and making sure that I'm doing it to meet the 6-month deadline. Also managing this large project, like I said, not always being able to talk to people in person, but it is helpful to be able to do it by phone. I now have the latitude to talk to people by phone, pre-interview them, and not just grab the first interview that seems relevant to my story. Finding the best sources and the most relevant interviews. So that's really helpful. And then the biggest one really is the fact that our story is a moving target. It's healthcare. So every week something changes. So I want to make sure whatever I shoot is relevant at the time that we air it. So I think what we've decided is to shoot and then air these stories really quick before something changes. And then finally, marketing your story. I didn't realize what a big job marketing would be inside a large organization, trying to figure out who's going to run my story, how we can get digital involved, how we can get other units involved and interested in the story. So we're doing a little bit of salesmanship inside as well. So that's kind of where I am. We're at the point where we're ready to schedule some shoots, go out of town, trying to work that around what's happening here in Washington, and I guess I'll check in with you in a few weeks. Thanks.